We have just received devastating footage of Air Force One going down over western Belarus. President William Derringer, Prime Minister Samuel Clark are presumed dead.